In this video, I'll show you how to customize your commands for editing by modifying your keyboard map. At the bottom of your screen in Edit, it'll say KBD map, and by default it says default, but you can have any keyboard map. As you can see, I have many in here. The trick is to find the one that you're working with, which should be listed right here, and open it up. Now, how do you open it? A single click just displays all the keyboards that you have. A double click on it opens the keyboard map. Once you're in here, you can have it sorted by the key order, the function, or any one of these columns. You can see that I have it sorted by the key order. Why? That way I can quickly move down to a key that I might want to use and then assign a command to it. For example, I'm going to assign the play audio to an easier key to press than pressing the Shift F9. Shift F9 and Control F9 are the default commands to play and stop audio. But if you want to pick an easier key, locate the key first and then assign the command. You can scroll through this list to look to see what is available that hasn't been assigned. That's the other thing you can do is you can click on the function column and see if there's anything that is empty. Any one of those keys that doesn't have anything assigned to it, you can select it. So either way, depending on whether you have it sorted by key order or function order, locate a key that you might want to use and press that letter if you're sorted by key order and get down to it. So for example, let's say I'd like to make play audio Control T and maybe stop audio Control Shift T. Whichever key combination you want to use, if you're not already using them, as you can see, you can tell over here how many times you've used that particular command if it's already assigned to something else. And if you're not using it, or when you used it last, it was a long time ago, you can change it. So I'm not telling you that this is the key to press, but as an example, I'm going to modify it. I can right click and choose modify. The window will open up with all the functions. I can double click with my mouse on it and it will open up. I can even press the enter key. Once my assign window opens, I can locate the command by either clicking search or scrolling up and down, whichever you find easier. If I click search, I'll type in the name of the command or part of the name of the command and I will get to it. Because I only typed part of it, it didn't get to exactly what I wanted. So I'll type in the full command name, play audio. It says it hasn't found it, probably because I had already passed it in the list. So I told it to start from the beginning and now it's located it. Now at this point, all I have to do is click assign. It'll tell me if it's assigned to something else, and if I'm not using that for this particular function, I'll say yes and replace it. Now I can see the current key is assigned to play audio. I can close this window, and if I want to change this one to stop audio, again, double click it, press enter, or right click and choose modify. Locate the command by searching, or if you see it already in the list, just choose it. Or you can also scroll up and scroll down. Once you find the command, simply click assign. It'll tell you if it's assigned to something else and if you want to replace it, if you looked when you last used it, how many times you used it, make that determination. Once you have it assigned, you'll see it listed up at the top and you can click close. Now, if I want to try it out, it will not work until I save it. So I can click on the icon on the toolbar to save. I can right click and choose save. If I choose save and leave this open, then I can test it out and see if I like it. I can press that key combination.
Name is Richard.
And I can use the other keyboard command to stop it. Those are just examples. You can pick any keys you like. I have the open bracket already to play audio, and I have the close bracket to stop it. Remember, the key combination is whatever works for you. You just need to assign the command, scroll through it, look for it, or click the search button. And it's as simple as that to customize your keyboard map. And always save your changes and then try it out. That's keyboard mapping. You will find your keyboard map in your system files briefcase, and depending on which one you changed, you will see it listed here. I changed my default keyboard, and you can see here is the same thing. So you don't have to be in a file to change it. You can come to system files and look for it. Again, there are many different styles of keyboards that you can use based upon your knowledge from another CAD system. And if you have Eclipse as your background, you can have Eclipse hyperkeys. If you had Premiere Power, you can have a Premiere Power keyboard. Any one of these, we can customize your software so that the commands work the way you want them to. For more information on keyboard mapping, don't forget about going to your Help menu. In your Help menu, you can search for a topic. I like to use the Search tab and type in what I'm looking for. And you'll find a lot of information on how to modify keyboards, create your own, and set the custom keyboard that you always wanted to have when it opens in Edit. So lots of good information in your Help menu. Don't forget, it's under Help and Case Catalyst Help. As always, too, you can contact support for more information on how to do this. Thanks for watching, and happy keyboard mapping.